Research suggests that 73% of 25 to 35-year-olds overthink on a regular basis, leading to a large percentage of bad decisions and missed opportunities. It's quite sad, actually. There are such great people who are otherwise geniuses who have the potential to do and create great things. There are, however, solutions and tools that are widely available to overthinkers. Remember to be as objective as possible. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, assess your environment, those around you, those involved, and the situation at hand. Doing this will help you gain context around what's actually happening. Identify exactly what's triggering the overthinking and run it through the context of what's happening holistically. You want to acknowledge the different possibilities that could occur, and you want to definitely lean in to the possibility that is the most probable. So this is going to give you a realistic viewpoint on the matter at hand, and it's going to empower you to declutter your mind, declutter the overthinking, and make the best decision possible moving forward. You want to remember that not all matters are the same, and not everything can be solved instantly. Sometimes you'll need to endure the time in order to get more data, understand the situation a little bit better to reach the best conclusion possible. In any case, you don't want to allow your overthinking to cause you to take actions that could be potentially self-destructive. Think critically, objectively, and wait until you can make a reasonable conclusion based in reality. Also, make sure you watch until the end of the video because there are 7 codes hidden throughout the video. You can use those codes to unlock secrets in Discord, so you definitely want to join us. Link is in the description. Now that you have a few tools that you can use to combat your own overthinking, you're now more empowered to be one of the 27% that are able to think objectively and reach the best conclusions available. That's all the doc has for you today. Remember, the world is dangerous, so protect your energy. Trust me, I'm a doctor. I'll see ya next time. Shared a